Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little haul video for you. It's going to be a little bit from here and there, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm just going to kind of jump right in here. I went to Dollar General. I really didn't get anything exciting. Just normal household stuff, toilet paper, dish soap, paper towels, paper plates, things like that. I'll show you a few things I got from there. Nothing really exciting though. Okay. First thing I got was this, like, 4 different things in here. No, 3 different. Q-tips, cotton balls, and then like little pads, I guess, whatever. But I got that for $1. I just thought it'd be nice to have, because mainly for the container, because I thought the container was pretty cool. And this I got, and I tried to use this. It's called Purpose Farm Stand Apple Foaming Hand Wash. This is crap. Like, it is total crap. I mean, it smells really good. It smells like apples and cinnamon, but like literally the stuff just shoots out. But it was only $1 at the dollar store, and I needed soap for my bathroom, so like, whatever. And I think that's all I got from the dollar store. Besides the I went there last night. Besides the stuff that I got to make my my brush holder. Okay, the second place I went was a place called Bickles, that's in my town. It's a little, like, I don't know, they get the stuff from like Walmart and Kmart, anything that's like damaged, like the box is damaged or something, or stuff that they couldn't sell, they sell it. So one of the things I got was like a 4-pack of tape. It was only $3.50, like a 4-pack. So I was like, I can always use that. And another thing I got, and I gotta show you really quick because my dog is flipping out. I found these. They're like super, super cute. The whole bottom, like, if you can hear that. And then it makes this, noise in there, and you can pull it. But the head is a whole big squeaky. And the bottom's a big squeaky, and it has this little rope. I thought that was so cute. And then they only had 2, and one was a giraffe and one was a pig. And oh my gosh, she like loves these things. They were like $4.50 a piece, but she absolutely loves them. And what else did I get there? I've never had a cushion foundation. And I'm not really into drugstore foundation, but I got like a couple different drugstore foundations just to try to see, what they're like. Excuse that noise. That's her playing with her toys. I got this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cushion Buildable Luminous Foundation. It's the cushion foundation. And I got it in the shade Light, I believe. Yeah, it doesn't even say the color. It just says N1. So whatever color that is. But I don't know if you've ever seen that before. But I thought, like, what the heck? Like, I'll give it a try. I figured. Anyways, yeah, I got that there. Oh, another thing I got there was my dog. Every time I take her for a walk, she's sniffing everything. She comes back and her face is all white. It's always like black from her like dragging her face on the ground. Then we have to go in the bathroom, make a big production out of it, wash your face, everything. You have to do this like 2-3 times a day. So I wanted to try these vanilla coconut scent deodorizing dog wipes. Gently wipes away dirt and odor. But these were like $1 down there. So I figured, like, oh, why not try those? see. That's it. Yeah, that's all I got down there. Then I went to Walmart. And at Walmart I got, it's probably where I got the most stuff, I think. I got her this little thing. And like each one of these little squares has a squeaky in it. And then like this little head does. She loves these. We call these Angry Baby. Because these are her babies. When you tell her to go get her baby, she'll go get one of her little dogs like this. But this one just looks so angry, doesn't it? There you go. And another thing I got there. Oh, I was so angry about this. And I already took this out. I just wanted like a different like blending brush. This is a cheap one for whenever. And the reason why I did it was because my Morphe brush. This is from the when I used it with the Beauty Killer palette. It's stained. And I'm not even kidding you. Whenever, I mean, I haven't washed it yet, like, with my brush cleaner. But, like, I cleaned it, you know, played with it and blew it off. And I was just, like, feeling the difference going like this with it. And I don't know if you can tell. Look, it put pink on my eye. Like, it's still in there. It's like, oh my god, that pink is like crazy. But just in case, you know, something would happen until I get another one, because they don't have any more of those at Ulta right now, I decided to hurry up and just grab one of these e.l.f. blending brushes. And I was so upset. Like, it was in there just like this. And when I brought it home, I took it out. And when I went to pull it out, I pulled it out, you know, like this from the top. The whole entire top here came off. I was so mad. Thank God I had super glue. But, I mean, what do you expect for $1? But still, you know, like, it should work. And another thing I got out there was, let me see. Oh, just got some peroxide. I like freaking, I don't know if you can see that. That is like turning colors like that. Like, it hurts. I was washing dishes the other day and I didn't even feel myself like get cut. And it like really, really hurt. Anyway, so I got some peroxide. And my daughter needed some foundation. And I always hear people talking about the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I guess it's like the foundation concealer all in one. So I got my daughter one in porcelain. And I got me one in the color light. So, one's OOA and one's OOB. But I figured, what the heck, I'll try it out. Because, yeah, it was $10 at Walmart. I didn't even know that they sold Milani. I was really, really, really surprised. Then, after that, I stopped in at TJ Maxx just because it's all in the same plaza, so I had to stop there. And whenever I went in, the first thing I spotted was some fake lashes, and the only reason I picked these up there was because, oh, look at that band. That band is like so thin, like so thin. It just looks like they work awesome. Plus, this one came with the applicator, or whatever you want to call it. And I don't have one. And then it has this really cool little thing on the other side to push them down and get them set, which I thought was cool. And then, of course, it came with the Duo adhesive. So I thought that was cool. This was $4.99. And it comes with 2 pairs. So, I mean, like, hopefully they work good. I don't know. Hopefully. And then the second thing I got was the Too Faced Melted. And these were $5.99 at my TJ Maxx. So, that was pretty cool. And I ended up getting one in Melted Candy. And then I got, I can't remember what the purple box was called. I got the purple one too, and I sent that to a friend today. But anyway, I can put some of this on so you can see what color it is. Now, I didn't think it was going to be this bright, but I don't think it looks that bad. I think these applicators are so strange. I don't know if you guys have ever gotten these, but it's so strange. Okay. Nose is itchy. Okay. And the other thing that I got was the Anasazi cream kit, the contour kit. I wanted to try the creams so bad, but I'm a full coverage kind of girl when it comes to foundation, and I just don't know how well this is going to work out because I don't know. If anybody has any tips on how to use cream products with foundation on, like, please let me know, because I've tried the cream blushes and things like that, and it just, I don't know. Anyway, here's what that looks like. This one's for fair skin. Now, I did get the powder before, but the powder's for a darker skin person. I just got that to sell on Recaro. But I got the, it's actually this one. This one's tan to deep. This is the one that I got to sell on Recaro. But when I got this being the powder, it was only $10. But this was $18.99, which, I mean, it's still a good deal, but I expected it to be $10, and it wasn't. But anyway, yeah, that was that. And one thing I ordered from, that's all I got, out and about. The one thing that I got from Recaro, excuse me, that I've seen other people have and really like was the, and this was in BoxyCharm or Ipsy, one of them. It was the Cover Effects Shimmer Veil in the color Amethyst. Is that? It looks like that. But I really wanted it. I paid $10 for this on Recaro. I think they go for like $28 supposedly. I don't know. I've never had any Cover Effects stuff, so. Oh, and I was looking, I'm going to go get that Soft Glam palette this Saturday when it comes out at Ulta. And I was looking on there just thinking, you know, I'm going to go up there and look today. Like, do they have, like, ColourPop stuff up there? Well, I came across a whole list of Ultas that sell ColourPop. Well, my town's not one of them. But then I saw all these tiny little towns that have it. And it's like, are you kidding me? So, no ColourPop at my Ulta, I guess. I mean, I guess I should call. Anyway, here's a swatch of that. Look at that. That is, like, awesome. That is so freaking pretty. But that is about it, I think. Oh, no. Sorry. Another thing I got at Walmart, you know, because I know you guys are very interested in this, is guinea pig food. Like, I don't know if you have guinea pigs or, like, rabbits or hamsters, whatever. But, oh my gosh, like, this is 5 pounds? 5 or 10 pounds. I think it's 5. Yeah, it's 5 pounds. A 5-pound bag of these for $3.98. Like, that's pretty good. Like, considering, you know, like pet stores charge a lot. And one other thing I got at Walmart that I totally forgot about was just this Zest Cocoa Butter and Shea soap. I got like a big thing of it. I already took one out and used it. But like, I get this just for like my hands and like when I'm washing my face really quick, just to get oil off, or when I'm really dry or whatever. but that works pretty good. Oh no, I got stuff all over my desk from the guinea pig food. Ew. There's like little crumbles everywhere. Well, I better get going and clean that up. But I will see you guys really soon. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me probably tomorrow. So I'll make sure I upload that sooner. For some reason, I've been making my videos just whenever I upload them. Usually they're, you know, 8, 9 o'clock at night. So then I end up, you know, by the time I'm done editing and everything, they're not even up until after midnight. So I wanted to kind of get ahead of the game tonight and get this up, you know, before everybody went to bed. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do, and click that little notification bell. That way you guys know whenever I upload new videos. And again, I wanted to thank all of my supporters. I love you guys. You're the best. And I will see you guys next time.